Read me, with topic.
Mental health.
3, 2, 1, go.
Mental health. Mental health refers to a person's emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how people think, feel, and behave and plays a vital role in their overall health and quality of life. Mental health disorders, such as anxiety, depression, and bipolar disorder, can impact a person's ability to function and lead to significant distress. Mental health is essential for individuals to realize their full potential, cope with daily stresses, and maintain healthy relationships with others. Access to mental health care services, including therapy and medication, is crucial for those struggling with mental health issues.